Actually, I need to make a couple more changes here real fast before we do this.
The actual ignition timing right before, I guess, pre-vacuum?
Power at those numbers, right?
Yeah.
Once we have the motor making power, making torque, we can pull the timing where it needs to be.
So basically what we're doing right now is Andrew and Josh from Haltech, Team Haltech, or actually from, you know, actual Haltech, they're remoting in and kind of just going over the car and making sure that, you know, some of the stuff that we're doing kind of matches for what they kind of seen and everything else, you know, trying to figure out the whole three-step launch control setup and everything else. Since it's not like a generic table that they have already pre-done, they're going in the computer and actually setting it up for us, so that way we can actually use that for tracking.
The street?
No, not the street, no. But, you know, just basically, you know, helping and stuff like that, especially since, you know, we're sponsored by Haltech and stuff. That's the cool thing about it, that we have actually their support and everything else, so they're, you know, they're helping us out, trying to get everything situated, so that way the next track outing that we go to, which will be pretty soon, is to, you know, keep making updates and upgrades to make sure that the car can get done. So
basically,
gotcha.
Up until it starts making boost, that way it will. The hood and shit is on the other side. Yeah. So that hood's not gonna touch it.
Why are you hiding that little thing over there?
What thing?
That thing. That Cadillac.
The fastest OBS in Houston?
Yeah, look at that thing. Is that a custom bumper?
Look at it. Look at the key.
All the way.
All the way.
Send it.
There it goes.
Oh, one more. Oh, shit. I know, he wants to get on the two-step already.
Yeah,
Does it look good from up top? Yeah. Oh, it's not bad.
That's good. Already marked, that's good.
We want to
take it off, tack it, and then...
Or
leave it on there and try to tack it on here?
Want tack it already on there?
I mean, we can hold it, tack it, so we can put the gate back on and then just... I mean, I can scribe it, break it off afterwards and cut it to make sure. Just to have a visual for the other side.
Yeah.
Whose headers are those?
Homies for Gremlin. Still waiting for them to pick it up.
So I'll pull that one off? Or you want to try to do it on the car again? In that case, I turn the wheel, raise it up, hold it.
Yeah.
I got it. I'm gonna go eat. Pushing and pulling all these cars. Hey, but at least it looks good out there. That's all.
Why y'all using that one?
Huh? This is Busy's.
You like it?
Brought from his house.
Does it work pretty
He
good?
brought it so I can try it out and see. Because we need to buy a welder for the
trailer?
For the trailer. So I've only had millers in my life. So.
Because you're rich. Oh yeah, I ain't going nowhere.
That's good. It's not good here. I just called Close it, wait.
It doesn't have like a little gap on it.
Yeah, there it is. Okay. I got it. Good? Still good?
Yep. Where's the fucking reflection of the titanium?
Oh.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna have to do is basically try to pick it up from that side and then get it to where we can.
I was gonna try to pry that back and then try.
So what you end up doing here? Just right down here?
Oh, no, that side.
Oh, this side? Oh, you cleaned the floor too? What?
Oh, I mopped one time.
Oh, you mopped?
Blew it out, mopped it real quick. It's not the greatest job, but it's...
Was it really dirty?
Fuck, dude, it's like mud.
Really?
He's got him in comfort mode.
Mm-hmm. Let him go into 4x4. Oh shit, he's almost engaged.
Oh, you almost engaged the 4x4.
This one Jose tries to cook. You're darn it.
What's up?
A twin turbo? Nah. What the hell you doing with a limo? Let me guess. You just trying to race the fucking thing?
No, it's just. So I just bought it.
It's a daily. Full race truck with
Oh, it's a beautiful car. Damn, look at this thing. Big money.
Damn. Yeah, it's nice outside. Wait, was it coyote popping or what? I got neon lights.
How many miles are on the dash?
It don't even, the dash don't even.
Oh, you rolled them back? Okay.
Where's everybody at?
Smells like cocaine and fucking hookers in there.
Smells like Vegas.
You see our new sponsor, Husky.
Mine's Milwaukee. Ya quisiera.
We haven't got there yet. Baby steps.
De vez en cuando ya la snap on chollos, vale.
It really doesn't. It has enough just to get it on and off.
No, se fue.
Porque tiene doble abanico, ¿qué pedo?
Sí, pues es todo. Tiene, es como son radiators.
Oh, okay.
And it goes in 4 times each, so it's 8.
We want this truck to run 100.
¿Eso es lo también, no?
Yeah, todo sin
filter?
Sí.
They already fixed all that. Yeah, porque no se puede nomás cortar, because I already, like, it's half of the... If I cut it... We're on our way to PixelWerks Media, and... Goddamn, about this. So basically, we're dropping off our enclosed gooseneck trailer, and we have a little... put some little decals on it and stuff, and get it ready for TX2K, while we go back to the shop and get the other enclosed ready that friend Eric Trevino let us borrow to take the Fairlane out to the track, while this one is, so we've been working on this one little by little, putting on new compressor, generator, winch, I mean the whole 9 yards. We washed it outside, inside. It's a older trailer, so we're just trying to give it a little modern look and clean it up and stuff, so we can get ready for race season. But basically, we're really trying to get ready for TX2K, so we have a really huge announcement, and we'll pretty much touch base on that a little bit later. I think I missed my insurance. Hopefully I can get in this one. Yeah, it should. We're here at PixelWerks, gonna drop it off with John Vo, the owner, and so he can work his magic and see what happens. This is gonna fucking suck. I have to jump the curb. Yep. Fucking jump it. Definitely jumping that curb.
Oh yeah, you're on it. y'all do a lot of these trailers, or what do y'all mostly do?
Other stuff going on, man.
Just wrap everything?
Yeah. We have Kubota ditch diggers, heavy duty trailers, heavy duty tow truck trailers, Beetle. We got 2 Beetles back there. We got that we gotta do.
Oh, that's your
Little Lexus, man.
Oh yeah.
Big money.
Yeah, whatever.
A lot of wraps for that one.
Okay.
I like it. Look at that thing. Is that yours or?
No, customer. But
That's cool.
this thing been through a lot.
Actually looks pretty clean though.